Hello, if we are a business owner who would like to run our business better using accounting software, or an accounting student who would like to get a better understanding of accounting concepts, how they apply to accounting software, and how to calculate the accounting problems much faster, or a career professional who would like to advance our career using accounting software, this course is a course for us. This course will show us how to enter accounting data into accounting software, QuickBooks, and how to interpret that data and read reports. It will also show us how to enter that data into an Excel worksheet, a more transparent format, which will show us the links of that data, how the data will be input, and how to link that data to the financial statements. Through this process, we will learn the basic functions of Excel, meaning addition, subtraction, and the sum function. This is not a comprehensive Excel course. We're not going to learn everything about Excel. That's not an efficient way to learn Excel. What we will learn is what we use in Excel 99% of the time. Basic functions, cell relationships, adding, subtracting, and using the sum function. By learning these concepts in relation to application within a problem and through repetition within that application to the problem, we will learn these core concepts well. Why take this course? This course will include current content as of the date of this recording, meaning we will be using QuickBooks 2018. This course will also include much more than just the data input into an accounting software. We'll also take a look at a lot of the why questions. Why is the system set up the way it is set up? We can answer a lot of these questions using the Excel format because that gives us more of a transparent viewpoint. The more we understand the why questions, how things are set up, the more it will allow us to set up the process and interpret the end financial statements. And those are really the important concepts to know. Those are the concepts that will last over time as technology changes. We will also include backup files, which are going to be very useful for the QuickBooks portion, meaning if you wanted to jump forward into a section in the future, you can restore a backup file and have the data set formatted so that you can follow along with that information at a future point in time, rather than having to work through the whole problem to get there. You can also rework problems if there's an error by downloading the backup file and restoring the data to the point that you would like to work on. We also have the Excel files that will be in a link that you'll be able to download, work through the problems in the same format with us. The Excel formats will already be formatted, so we're not going to be working on a lot of formatting here. We're just going to be working on adding and subtracting and seeing the cell relationships and links for the cells in order to help with that accounting concept and get those basic concepts for Excel that are useful in any industry. We'll also have PDF files for many of the QuickBooks problems. Those are going to be things that we can download. QuickBooks is something that you can work offline, so if you would like to download the PDF files and work through some of that QuickBooks information at a point where you don't have internet access, you can do that with the QuickBooks files. Who will we be learning from? We'll be learning from a practicing certified public accountant, someone who has experience both in the accounting profession and in the teaching profession as an instructor in accounting and business courses, as well as curriculum design and development to put together accounting courses in a coherent way so students can follow along through them and get what they would like to out of them. We are learning from someone who has a Chartered Global Management Accountant designation, someone who has a Master's of Science in Taxation, someone who is a certified post-secondary instructor, someone who has experience with curriculum development for a course, complex courses, as well as series of courses that have to fit together in a complex way, in such a way that students can flow through that courses, pick up what they need from the courses, be able to jump forward and learn concepts in a future part of the course and or go back to prior portions of the course in order to pick up information. What will we learn? We'll go through a full accounting cycle in both QuickBooks and Excel. We will review the accounting software for QuickBooks and Excel. We will create a new company file in both QuickBooks and a new worksheet within Excel. We'll learn how QuickBooks and Excel work through this accounting process, and we'll format, print, and analyze reports. How will we be taught? Through viewing and then doing. We will typically show the QuickBooks portion first, having an instructional video that can be used to work through the problem. We will usually have a PDF file as well that can be used in order to work the problem offline if you so choose. If we wanted to jump forward or go back to a point in time, we do have backup files that can be downloaded and restored in order to reset the data to that point in time and work through those problems. In the Excel format, we have downloadable Excel worksheets that we will be used to work through those problems. We will have the instructional videos that we can follow along with in order to construct those Excel worksheets. Presentation quality. This, in essence, will be the quality of the presentations. This is not an paid advertisement video that will be of a much higher quality than the presentation quality. This, in essence, will be the presentation quality. In addition to the instructional videos, you will have PDF files, you will have backup QuickBooks files, and you will have Excel files. Please join us in learning both QuickBooks and Excel. It will be great.